Hi guys, it's me, Rogue Road, and look, I am a superhero, Ant-Man. You thought I'm not gonna be an ant? I am an ant. I'm pretty short. What?
I don't know what I am.
Yeah, I don't know what you are either. And,
Maybe
yeah. Get in, boy.
Okay.
You said okay. Okay, let's...
Fire truck.
Yeah, we're gonna get a fire truck, cause... Ouch!
Is there a way you could put rocket fuel on this thing? I got hit by the window.
Keep in. Now the glitch is there.
Do you have to make me get hit by a window?
I hit myself, not you.
Yeah, but you have to.
Can you not click G, okay? Or I won't get you a fire truck and I won't die. I'm getting you a fire truck. No. Don't jump out until I say. Jump. If you love me, let me go. No. I'm trying to get... Hey. If you love me, let me... Okay, let's just do my dolphin... It says you can't use that Roblox emote right now. Are you serious? Let me get on! Stop trolling me! I have tiny legs! I don't want to taste the rainbow! Stop trolling me, actually. Yeah! This is my first ever jailbreak video. This is how I get treated in my first ever jailbreak video. I'm literally trying to take a screenshot right now for the thumbnail. Where? Well, if you love me, let me go. I don't. You just ran me over. Stop trolling me. It's not fun when you troll me. Yeah. We just did superheroes invade, and then this is what happens. Ooh, yay! Free guns. Ah! Okay, let's put this back. Great, you know they have lives. Can I get the thumbnail real quick? Boom. That's the thumbnail. Ah! Oh god. I am one with my head. Parkour. Well, if you love me, let me go. I did not take one damage. Stop! Stop trolling me. Dude, actually, I have short legs. It's not funny. It's not funny. Actually, stop trolling me. You can troll me just with the ladder, but not running me over and running past me. Because I have short, stubby legs. Ah! Come back! Come back! Come back! Come back! Come back! Fine, I would jump into the pit. Wait, road spikes. Nope. Destroy all. Road spikes. Road spike. Now let's try. Wait, I want to see what it would do when you hit the road spike when I'm on the ladder. Fine, you can pee me. I'm in the pee. In the pee. A pee. Ah! Stop! You're trolling me! Stop! Parkour. How fast was that? You left me! Time to jump. I am the emperor. No. Then the train just comes and run me over. I'm not. Finally, I'm up. Now let me put it back up. Put it back down. Put it back up. Put it back down. Okay, put it back down. Put it back down. Stop. Come back. My little legs don't work that good. Stop. You're trolling. I'm gonna leave and not post this if you keep doing that. Slow, slow and steady. Yeah, I'm on. No more leaving me behind. Ouch. Why would you run into that palm tree? Poor little palm tree. Oh yeah. You can water me. Oh, never mind. It made it so much easier when it worked like the others. Nope, I got the road spikes. I got the road spike. I got the road spike. Got the road spike. I got the road spike. I got it. I got a taser. Look how funny I look with the taser. And handcuffs. And a pistol. I can't see what it looks like. No. No. Yeah, it really blinds me. But this is the golden hour. Oh, never mind. I'm on. Yeah, let's go. Stop! You leaving me behind. That's what I thought. I ate your tires. I have not ate in days. That's why my torso is so skinny. This is like a treadmill. Nope. Come back! Come back! Come back! I shot him through the car. I'm gonna get banned. Oh, golden hour. Why are we in the water? What is this? Keep doing that. That's fun and good for views. Hey, hey, hey. No.
Mommy, you don't have to use the whole body. This is like the big price of body.
Too much superheroes. You have cheese tires.
Yes.
I'm a cartoon. Oh my god, it's doing that thing again. When it just kills me. When it spins. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no. Ah! Come back! Come back! Come back! Ah! Come back! Let me get on!
I'll come back. I'll come back.
Don't you dare water me. Ah! No! No! This is just abuse of ants and abuse. No! I gotta check. Why would I get $200? And this is in a VIP server. I always have to pop your tires. I see a ladder. Run, run, run. No!
Stop. I will come back.
Then why you keep running? Come back! Why are you trolling me? My legs can't climb this. I'm trying. No! Flashy wave. Just see. Hi again! Okay, this is good enough. Good thing I have a metal helmet. But my rest of my body parts, but my arms are metal. And my head. Ouch! Okay. Yeah. I can't even climb the ladder. Look at me if you're holding handcuffs, then I can't. And then, look, I'm gonna tase you. I'm gonna really do it. Get back here. Get back here. I'm gonna stun. Oh, that was a sick stunt, right? You serious? No, not again. Not on the Cybertruck. Just look at this view. Yeah. Yeah. If I can get on top. So don't move one muscle. I'll just be on top of. No, stop. This is gonna be the thumbnail. Okay, keep going. Ow, okay. Are you stuck? Oh, nice.
Oh, God.
Get back here. I'm gonna tase that car. Ow. Hello. I'm in your car. Why am I too short to live? Please don't kill me. Don't push me into the ocean. I'm allergic to the ocean. Ah! Oh. And bye, guys. Bye.
needs to go to the hospital.
And also, I'm allergic to water, so bye. Wait.
See ya.